Okay, let us wait for 1 minute siguro para makapasok na po ang iba. Okay, okay, let's start ka siguro. So on the first activity that we have, we will first review the lessons on division of polynomials. To begin with, let us have this polynomial by polynomial with more than one term. So kindly look at the the whiteboard. So we have the given x plus 2, and we are going to divide this one by x squared minus 3x minus 10. So to solve this one, this is just the process. One. Okay, ito po yung process niya. So, unahin nyo po i-divide itong dalawa. So, it's x squared divided by x. Yan naman po. So, saan po si x squared galing? Ito po. Si x squared naman, is x naman ito po. So, i-divide lang natin siya. So, the answer here is, pag mag-divide nga po, 2 minus 1. Invisible 1 is minus na natin. So, we have the base, x. 2 minus 1 is 1. So, 1 is invisible, so pwede ng x na lang. Then, you write the answer here, x. Tapos, buburahin. Scratch yun siya, in other words. Tapos ito naman ngayon, x, ito po, i-multiply dito. May x plus 2. So we are going to multiply that 1. Pag mag-multiply po, i-add lang po ang exponent with the same base. The same ba ang base ng x? The same po, x ang kanilang base. So pag i-multiply sila, i-add ang exponent. Invisible 1 plus invisible 1 magiging x squared. Next, i-multiply naman ito, yung ganyan po, ganyan. Next is this. Multiply naman natin itong isa, 2 times x. Wala pong variable dito, wala naman pong number dito except sa invisible 1, so kopyahin na lang po kapag walang number or variable. Wala silang partner, in other words. So 2x na lang ikopya. Then buburahin yan siya. The answer is x squared plus 2x. So isusulat yan dito yung answer, x squared plus 2x. Then proceed tayo sa subtraction. Meron kang x squared, binawasan ng x squared, that is 0. Tapos ito naman, yung negative 3x, tapos i-minus mo kay 2x. So, meron kang utang na 3, di ba? Negative is utang. So, meron kang utang na 3, meron ka pang utang na 2. So, ilan na lahat utang mo? 5. And what is the family name? That is x. So, therefore, the answer here is negative 5x. So, buburahin mo na yan. Isulat mo dito yung sagot. Negative 5x. Then, i-bring down, tapos naman tayo dito, i-bring down mo naman yung negative 10. So, yan naman tayo mag-divide. So, negative 5x, i-divide naman natin siya sa una. Pinakauna lang, that is x. I-divide natin. So, what's the answer? Negative 5 divided by invisible 1 is 5. Kaso lang, negative ito siya positive, magkaiba ang sign, therefore, negative din siya dito. Next, x divided by x. Tinan mo, invisible 1, invisible 1. 1 minus 1, magiging 0. So, no need to write the x here. So, negative 5 na lang yung sagot dyan. Okay, buburahin na yan. The answer here is negative 5. Next, yung negative 5 na sagot dyan, i-multiply naman natin sa x plus 2. So, negative 5 times x plus 2. So, let's find out. Ito po. Ayan. So, negative 5 times x, magiging negative 5x. Bakit negative 5x? Kasi nga po, wala pong number dito except sa invisible 1. Dito naman walang variable. Kapag wala pong partner, kopyahin lamang po. Next, negative 5 times 2, that is 10. Si 5, negative. Si 2 is positive. Magkaiba sila ng sign, so therefore, negative siya. So the answer here is negative 5x minus 10. So isulat natin dito, negative 5x minus 10. Tapos ngayon, Isasubtract natin. Meron kang negative 5x minus 10, tapos binawasan mo pa ng negative 5x minus 10. Walang matitira sa'yo. Ganun po. So, the answer now here is x minus 5. Same with the PowerPoint presentation. Okay, that was our lesson yesterday. Now, we will have a game. So, ang game natin is about slido.com. But before that one, meron akong example muna. How are you going to divide this one? Example, that is 32x cubed plus 18. Papalitan ko na lang para hindi pareho. So we have 21 at tapos 9x squared plus 3 divided by 3. So paano natin yan siya i-divide? Ganito lang po, 21 divided by 3, that is 7. Then wala mang partner si x dito si x cube lang, so copyhin lang x cube. Okay, next. 9 divided by 3, that is 3. Wala mang partner sa x squared sa baba, so x squared na lang isulat. Next, 3 divided by 3, that is 1. Okay, ganyan lang po pagsagot. I-divide lamang po. So, kindly open slido.com. Please open slido.com.
Sa section na.
Yabo. Okay, please open slido.com. Then you enter the code hashtag 20200. The code is 20200. Okay. Meron pong tanong dyan, 32y squared plus 16y minus 2 divided by 2. You are going to answer that one. So, kapag meron na kayong sagot, kunyari, ang sagot nyo is 23xyz. Then, sulat nyo po yung pangalan nyo na sa gilid. Para alam po kung sino ang sumagot. Nakuha po? Okay, your time starts now. That is only 5 minutes. Open slido.com, then you type the code 20200. Nakapasok bang lahat?
Ano po ako, sir?
Okay, kung may sagot na po, please paki-type po sa active poll natin kung ano yung sagot nyo. Okay, still waiting. You have 4 minutes left. Okay, meron na ba kayong sagot? Please type na po ang sagot ninyo sa ating poll or sa ating Slido. Okay, let's reveal kung meron na pong sagot ang iba. So si Carl, we have 16y squared plus 8y minus 2 or 16y squared plus 8y. Si Pearl naman, 16y squared plus 8y minus 1. Okay, others please. Lahat po, participate po. We are 9 all in all. Okay, dalawa lang po ang sumagot. Some more students, last 2 minutes. Sander, we have 16y squared plus 8y minus 1. Okay, kay Carl, pinalitan niya 16y squared plus 8y minus 2 or minus 1. Either of the two, hindi niya daw alam paano isolve yung pinakalas. Okay, 8y raised to the power of 1 plus 8y minus 1. Kanino po yan? Okay, last 1 minute. Okay, time's up. So let's have the answer. Reveal natin. So thank you po sa nag-participate sa ating game for the Skrido. So we have the given 32y squared plus 16y minus 2, and we are going to divide it by 2. So 32 divided by 2, we have 16. Then y squared has no partner, so bring down lang natin or copy. 16 divided by 2, that is 8. Then y has no partner, so bring down lang po. Then 2 divided by 2, that is 1. Kaso lang, negative siya, ito positive. Magkaiba ng sign, so therefore, negative dito. The answer is 16y squared plus 8y minus 2. Okay, very good po sa mga nag-participate. Halos correct naman po lahat. Okay, congratulations, thank you, and we will have this lesson now. Okay, let's proceed to our lesson. So our lesson is about yung kanina nga po, review ko, di ba? It's about division of polynomials. So today we will be talking about problem solving about division of polynomials. So let us have another game. This game is a zoomed in game. Ibig sabihin ng zoomed in, naka-zoom in yung pictures. Puhulaan nyo by typing on the chat box. Type lang po. Bawal po gamitin ang mic. Type lamang po. So hulaan nyo kung anong picture ito. Okay, let's start. What is that? Anong object yan? Okay, type your answer in the chat box, please. Guess that picture. Anyone? Wala po. Wala po, wala talaga. Okay, the word is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 6-letter word. Guess that word. First clue. R. That's letter R. Okay, wag po sabihin ang sagot. Type lang po sa chat box. What is that picture? Wala po, wala po.
How the fudge are we supposed to know that?
That is a zoomed in picture. Okay, next. The next clue is
French.
E. French daw po from John Sander. That is an object. Another clue, pwede siyang kainin.
Object pwede makaon?
Yes po. That object can be eaten. What is that?
Honey. Dili.
Nope.
Honey.
Just type your answer para hindi po nila makuha.
Bakit? Sir.
Phrase from Asnya. Price. French. Okay, next. O.
Orange.
Yes, that is John Sander, orange. Very good. The answer here is orange or lemon. Or we could use, that is the microscopic image of an orange. Okay, so let's try having problem solving with this orange as our topic. So the first problem, it talks about oranges. So there are 8x squared plus 36, oops, nawala, 36x minus 16, nawala po si x. Palitan ko muna ha for a while. Okay, at 8x squared plus 36x minus 16 oranges in a basket. So mother divides them equally among 4 children. How many oranges does each child get? So meron daw oranges. Ang number ng oranges is 8x squared plus 36x minus 16. And the mother would like to divide it equally among 4 children. So the problem here is 8x squared plus 36x minus 16 divided by 4 children. So we are going to divide this one. So to divide this, of course, just follow what I did a while ago. So anyone who would like to reveal the answer, then you are given 1 minute. Just post your answer on the chat box, please.
Damn, it's fast.
2x squared plus 9x minus 4. Okay, others?
2x 2.
2x squared as well plus 9x minus 4. Angel, 2x squared plus 9x minus 4. The same with Carl and the rest. Asnya, negative daw po sa kanya. Take note, Asnya, mag-negative ka lang po kapag magkaiba po ang sign. For example, negative positive or positive negative. Angel, okay, as well. Okay, let us just post your answer. Pearl is 2x squared plus 9x minus 4. Okay, let us reveal now. So 8 divided by 4, that is 2. Then, wala man po partner si x. So therefore, just bring it down. Then, proceed tayo. 36 divided by 4, that is 9 times 4. Tapos nag-18, 36, yeah. That is 36, so 9 ang answer. Then 16 divided by 4, that is 4. But take note, 16 is negative and 4 is positive. They have different signs. And the law and the rule says, kapag mag-different daw yung signs, negative daw po yung sasagot. Okay, what will happen to this x? Are we going to put it down or not? This x. Kailangan pa ba natin siyang isulat or hindi na po?
Kailangan pa po.
Yes, kailangan.
Kailangan po.
Kailangan dahil wala pong partner si x sa baba. So, kailangan natin siyang isulat. So, the answer is 2x squared plus 9x minus 4. Okay, very good. Everyone got it right. Okay, next. Next picture, next image. What object is this? This object cannot be eaten.
Paint!
It
World?
could, no, it could not be eaten. This is a 4-letter word.
Pain. That's pain.
No, no, it's not paint. Next, the next clue is N for the last letter.
Rail.
Chill, chill.
Chill, bro, chill.
The next clue is mhm. Ano ba magandang i-clue dito? um, sandy siya, mabalas. Mabalas yan siya.
Sand.
Yes, sandy or mabalas.
Sand.
No,
Beach.
no. Mabalas yan siya. Next clue, shall. Shall, ano shall? Next clue is ano pa bang magandang i-clue dyan? Next clue na lang is kasama niya ang tanim. It goes with plants. Soil. That's good, Sander. That is a soil. So that is the microscopic image of a soil. Kapag i-zoom mo siya ng super, almost 1,000 times or more than 1,000 times using the microscope, that is the image. So para siyang paint, di ba, actually? So that is a soil. So that is a land or a soil. So our problem focused on that. So very good, Sander. So this one. The area of a parallelogram land is 8x squared plus 10x minus 3. And it has the base that is 2x plus 3. What is its height? So, ito muna. Background muna natin what is that parallelogram. Area po ang sinabi dyan. Area ng parallelogram. So, when you solve for the area of a parallelogram, that is base times height. Kaso lang, the question here is, what is the height? So, height daw po yung hinahanap. So, ang formula ngayon, kapag magkuha ka ng height sa isang area ng parallelogram is like this. Area is equals to I over base. So, meron tayong base. Ang base natin is 8x squared, 2x plus 3. And our area is 8x squared plus 10x minus 3. So, in other words, we are going to divide that one because A over B means divide. Nakuha? So, divide natin. So, we have 8x squared plus 10x minus 3 and divide this one into 2x plus 3. Okay, we are going to solve this one together because this is a bit difficult compared to the first example. So, unahin natin, isulat si 8x squared. Scratch po itong dito sa gilid ha. Tapos, i-divide natin siya sa 2x. So, 8 divided by 2, that is, of course, 4. Then, x squared divided by x invisible 1, isasubtract natin yung exponent. 2 minus 1, magiging x na lang siya. Tama? Kasi po, x is raised to 1, that is invisible 1, so x na lang yung sagot. Then, this answer 4x will be written on the top of 8x squared. Okay, yan na po. What do you think is the next thing to do? Okay, no idea? So, ang next thing to do natin, itong 4x, i-multiply naman natin kay 2x plus 3. That is 2x plus 3. Okay? Then when you multiply, you are going to add the exponent with the same bases. Tulad ng x and x, they have the same base. So therefore, i-add natin ang exponent nila. In this case, this one will be multiplied here. Okay, 2 times 4, that is 8. Ang base nila is x. They have the same bases, so i-add natin yung exponent. Invisible 1 plus invisible 1 magiging x squared. Kuha. Next, the next one, ito naman tayo dito sa dulo. Si 4 times 3, that is 12. Ngayon, wala mang partner na x dito kasi dito merong x. Wala siyang partner. So, just copy. Okay, that is now 8x squared plus 12x. Itong sagot ng 8x squared plus 12x, isusulat natin dito sa baba ni 8x squared plus 12x. Diyan natin isusulat. Okay? Next thing to do is we're going to subtract that 1. Pag i-subtract natin, meron kang 8x squared, binawasan mo ng 8x squared, of course, walang matitira. Next, dito na tayo sa kabila. So, si 10x, isasubtract daw natin, ito yung 10x, isasubtract daw natin kay 12x. So, ganito lang po yung kuan nito, ang analogy. Meron kang utang na 12 kasi negative siya, meron kang binayad na 10. Ilan na lang po ang kulang mo? That is 2. Then, kulang is negative, therefore, negative yung lalagay dyan. Then, what is the variable or what is their family name? That is x. That is negative 2x. So, we write it down here, negative 2x. Okay, clear? Next, tapos naman tayo na solve dito, na subtract na natin siya. Ito na lang kulang, i-bring down natin siya. Next, i-divide naman natin itong negative 2x kay 2x. Okay, 2 divided by 2, that is 1. Tama? Kaso lang, negative siya, positive dito. Magkaiba ang sign, therefore negative din yung isusulat natin. Next, x raised to power of 1, x raised to 1. Invisible po yan sila. 1 minus 1 magiging 0. Kapag 0 na po ang exponent, no need to write x 0 here. Instead, wala na kayong isusulat. Negative 1 na lang. Yan na lang po. Yung isolve nyo na lang dito na negative 2 divided by 2. Yun na po yung isusulat sa taas. Negative 1. Okay? That negative 1 will be repeated again. Anong sunod na gagawin? Magmumultiply ulit tayo. Negative 1 times 2x plus 3. So, negative 1 times 2, that is negative 2. Then, wala siyang kaparehong variable, then copy. Negative 1 times 3, that is negative 3. Okay? Then, negative 2x minus 3, isusulat natin siya dito sa kapila. So, we now have negative 2x minus 3. Isasubtract natin ngayon. Meron kang 2x minus 3. Binawasan mo pa ng 2x minus 3, walang matitira sa'yo, and that is 0. So, therefore, the answer here is 4x minus 1. Yan na po yun. Okay, please copy the question or the word problem, then copy also the answer for that question. Okay, start now, then you type done if you're done. Then we will proceed to the next one. Okay, maybe we could proceed now. Are you all done? Okay, let's proceed. So the next example is Wait lang ha. Okay, what is that image? What image is that? That object cannot be eaten. Okay, it's a two word. Pwede din siyang one word kasi mukha din siyang ganon. So doon na lang tayo sa one word na lang tayo. Natanan sa room ni Ma'am katakutan ng iba. Okay. It start with letter, I know not start. Dito na lang tayo. Okay, that's letter D. Next clue is, it is very dry. Pag nabasa siya, hindi na siya magagamit. Bond paper, a little bit correct. That's maybe 10% correct. Malapit na po sa bond paper. Oslo paper. Nope. Nope. Next clue. Another D for the last letter. What is that? Another clue. Ginagamit siya kapag merong birthday. Next clue, it is a box. Pwede siyang gawing box. Next clue, letter C. Cardboard from Pearl Genial Imina. Very good. Tama po. That's a cardboard. Cardboard. Ay, art. That's a cardboard. So, ang cardboard po, minsan ginagamit siya as pang-gift wrap. Tama? So, lalo na yung ready-made na cardboard. So, ganyan po siya. When you zoom that one into 500 mu meters, mu means, sabihin ng mu, super, kung ano siya, microscopic. Pag tingnan nyo yung cardboard, akala nyo isang page lang siya, or isang papel, or isang carton lang siya. But when you zoom in it using a microscope, it has a lot of layers pala. And that is now a cardboard. Okay, let's focus our problem in a box gift. Okay? Here is a rectangular box gift. Then, it has the given x squared plus 5x plus 12 and its height is x plus 4. What is the area? Again, area pa rin po. Area is equals to base times height. Kaso lang, hinahanap dito ang height naman. So, pag height naman po ang hinahanap, I know, ang base pala rather, the formula is area over height. So, yan po yung given. So, let's divide that one. So, we now have x squared plus 5x plus 12 divided by x plus 4. X plus 4. Okay, let's answer this one all together kasi alam ko medyo mahirap siya para hindi kayo ma-stress ng sobra-sobra. Okay, the first thing to do is isulat si x squared. Ito po, i-divide kay x. And what is the answer? Sige daw, x squared divided by x. What's the answer? Again, ang gagawin dyan, isasubtract lamang po ang exponent nila. So, invisible yung isa, so 2 minus 1. What's the answer po when you divide x squared and x? Simple x or 1x from Asnya. Car is x raised to 1. Pwede din pong x lang po kasi nga po 1 siya invisible. So, the answer here is x raised to 1 or 1x. Invisible naman po yung 1, so therefore, x lang isasagot natin. Yan na po yung sagot. Next thing to do, what is the next thing to do here? Anong gagawin natin? Mag-a-add, magdi-divide, magmumultiply. What will we do next after we solve for x? So in this case, ano pong gagawin? Ano nga pong gagawin dito sa dalawa? Pag mag-divide ba kayo, ano bang ginagawa nyo? For example, 25 divided by 5. Ilan po? 5. So ano gagawin nyo dito para ma-solve yung 25 dito? What operation are you going to use? Are we going to divide? Itong 5 divided by 5 para makakuha ang 25? Are we going to divide it? That is, we're going to multiply. So in this case, ganun din po ang gagawin nito. So, i-multiply din po natin sila. So, x times x plus 4. So, pag i-multiply natin, i-add ang exponent ng parehong base. So, invisible 1, invisible 1. So, magiging x squared plus 4x na siya. Okay, bakit paano naging 4x? Kasi po 4 at x walang partner sa isa't isa. So, kopyahin lamang po, 4x. Ayan po, i-multiply natin, i-multiply. Yan na po, x squared plus 4x. Okay, isusulat agad natin ang sagot dito. X squared plus 4x. Then we are going to subtract it. So x squared minus x squared, that is 0. 5 minus 4, that is 1. And their variable is x. And 1 is invisible, so pwedeng isulat na lang si x. Okay, next, bring down 12. We are now going to divide x and x. Saan galing si x? Ito po si x, i-divide natin dito kay unang x sa taas. Nakuha? So that is, kung meron kang x, i-divide mo sa x, the answer is always 1. Kasi pareho man sila. So plus 1 dyan sa taas. Then we are going to multiply. Multiply tayo. 1 times x plus 4. Saan galing si 1? Ito po. Saan galing si x plus 4? Ito po. Okay, multiply natin. 1 times x plus 4 is x plus 4 din po. So, isulat na natin dito, x plus 4. Isasubtract natin. Okay, saan ko gisulat si x plus 4? Dito sa dulo. Isasubtract natin, x minus x magiging 0. 12 minus 4 magiging 8. Now, ano mangyayari ngayon? Wala naman tayong i-bring down. Meron siyang remainder na tinatawag. Remainder. Okay, ano po yung remainder? Kapag meron pong remainder, tulad nito, 8 ang remainder, isulat mo lang po. Yung 8 ba positive or negative? So in this case, positive siya. So isulat mo lang dito plus 8. Ang 8 sa taas. Okay, naghang po ang aking camera. Ang 8 po sa taas. Okay, divided by, kung ano yung given dito. The given is x plus 4, so isulat natin is x plus 4. Okay, ganun lamang po. So, please copy. Sana ma-zoom out. Baka hindi mo ba-zoom out. Okay, kopyahin nyo muna yung nasa taas, then we will ibababa ko lang siya. Okay, start now. Okay, pwede ko na siguro i-move down konti. Then, 0 po ang dulo. X plus 4, 8 pala. 0 plus 8. Okay? So, sa mga natapos na po or sa mga nagsusulat pa po, may announcement lang po ako konti. So, we are now on the 5th week of our research. Again, when you say research, study po ito. So, meron na lang po tayong remaining na 3 weeks or 4 weeks para sa ating research. So, medyo malapit na po matapos. And we're happy to announce na konting-konti na lang talaga makukuha na namin yung data mula sa inyo. So, thank you for participating, class. I hope you enjoy our lesson for this day. And wala po tayong quiz ngayon kasi po medyo mahirap po itong lesson. Alam kong pag-quiz ito, mababa talaga ang scores nyo. Pero at least meron kayong natutunan na this lesson is not part of your lesson but a lesson in grade 8. So in other words, pagdating nyo ng grade 8, hindi na kayo mahihirapan. Pag yung teacher nyo magturo sa inyo, meron na kayong background paano i-solve ang or i-divide ang mga polynomials. So thank you, God bless, and goodbye. Goodbye everyone.
Goodbye po, sir. Thank you po.
Goodbye and thank you po, sir.
Goodbye.